All the kids should sing, okay? Go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time, kids! With energy! Come on! Woo-hoo!
Happy birthday to you.
Yung mambal, no? Alright, mommy and daddy make a wish and blow the candle on the cake. Yay! Round of applause for round of applause. Okay, kids, let's have a picture with all of you, kids. Boy pa. Asa ng Apple Watch? Wala. Okay. Let me see, guys. Yun, galing talaga. Hindi ba unahan? Good job! Okay, let's bring back to your moms and dads. Kids. Hindi pala break ito eh. Mami abot game. Go! Philippine money! Sino meron Philippine money? Meron. Akin lang, mami. Akin na lang. Thank you. Sa akin binigay. Sa bata! Ayun na, meron na. Paano si Kambal? Anong dala nito? Where is Isabella's daddy? What? Here's your prize. Okay, next game. I need 6 kids. Don't use your hands, just your mouth. Don't use your hands, kids. Don't use your hands. No hands. Just eat. No hands. 2, 1, go. Okay, mag-is kayo dun sa mga memorials. Isabella's tita, in front of you are sets of letters. Okay? So I'm going to describe the word that you're going to... Oh, hindi pa. May go na ba? May lakad? May appointment? Itang madali? May door dash sa labas? Okay. I'm going to describe the word that you're going to spell. Each of you should hold a form of the word late.